mijina ekuo miensa anemu. Arise Ghana, Touch a Heart, and a 1Billion Rising. Edi kaimede and I say Evema or Saberema Nana and Sasaku. So I might as a quenyai shrunky, and then an penny for Mama. Ladies and gentlemen, may the chini a befa fan, kakra. Last Friday, Yebaha Manfi, Ebedi Juma Dikesi Ebiwaha. Na NGWay Yejina Homa Emma Ene Emma Nkwara Titru Emma Bawa na Yekase we amano wiase nyina se wuyi Emma efanse miensa baako akọ ayakayaka demu a ye fe na abuse enti NGWay yejina homa ma omo ye vulnerable ya abuse me omo one way or the other enkwara ya abuse omo obi wo ho ne ndikunu one na ewe wako through abuse onim ne a obeye nso na ote aware no mu akwara bi wo ho a ote obi nchen sebe wako through ayakayaka die ebe onim ne a obeye kwan a obefa so enti ye de mpenimfo dofsu mpenimfo a lawyers ene sebe obi wo ho no ma adwendwen nti na adwen so atochima ye de omo akọ school edu psychologist edu enimo ede baaye mo mbe ma a chechere na ye wie sa adwuma ede yususo a ye kire adoye go sebe ye be kasa na ye show action a aya na enkoye kakra nti esan say time no endi amboa ye nti no ye ntimi anye sa adoye no na ene ye baaye a ye gina migina ekuo na emu ene akwenya nana edemaye ye be present sa books yi ede ama school for ese de be ma nana ancestor shaku na ono so de ama school na me pa cho wuyi book na me chere ma de kakra esa say ye chere abuse ye de adusuade bi to book na chi your friend no pants rule before I told Mate pants rule da why not da pants rule ya say pants rule da obi ate da say pants mote ase esan say ye pants eya ye shirt ayegu baby a ye mpese obi a behu eni ntino eya ade a ese ye crown no eye private emaye nti ye pants a ye she se ye private nti ye kire se obi ekwa abuse ebi a teacher for mo parents sometimes mo beti sa akwara bi o ha ye se ne papa e rape no so mate da aha nti ye kire se munsa kan sa buko ya mo hwe echi no ye ka se pants a woleta bia gina ho ema kire ade baako pii no kire se ade a wa hye watare egu so no o pants no private na je se obi eni ho a obetimi de nensa aka so what I say ena no so kire se always remember your body belongs to you wo body no wo body nti sebe sa wo papa mpo taache wo na wan taache wo yi ekwan wan taache wo yi a utumi report ye number so wo so nti bibia na mo be komu no betimi report se wo teacher kra na ya wa kayeka de a se wo fere se wo be ka kire wo maame wo fere se wo be ka kire wo headmistress a ye number wo so wo betimi afre na emwa ese de boa obi a no ye be boa eno so kire se no means no ye say obi how na wo ka say jai no me mpe say wo say ye no se nipa no hyew eno so utimi report ena ti no so talk about secrets that upset you eni se mu keep secret bia bibi na hawa wono maame nka obi a wogi ni di mu teachers mu headmistress wo ho mpanifo ewo krom ha wobetime ene omo aka ena eseno so HSS speak up, someone can help. Se obi tete we ye wa yakayaka de na se wa mbie wa no anka obi ehu eyawa wukom na waboa enti se wo kasa when you speak up you get the necessary help. Enti munya book yi a na moso de a cheche munua no mo nketo a omuni ha. Aha ni je bebre se ye de sa adechadie ebema nana ansa sasirako ene ne mpanimfo.
Let's go. The Achadima Saforo Dikru no the ama nema. Okay. Yeah. Migra Saforo on my enam the book Rima school no.
Young our wifey Arise Ghana. Saforo mpenyimfo. PT executives. Young siso. Teachers. Learners. Imobi bia kwaba. Ediba Saforo MA Basic School. Yawo ho ena ya frɛ say yebenya ho kese pa. No kre maba. Apefadi amabeya ama ye nenso edamo ase. Nyame nhyiramo. Bebi amoyi fi ye bia Nyankopɔn hyama na mu. Ya hoho amofi Arise Ghana. Nsan me biom. Ye wo ha bebre. Nanso ena yentimi ka ne nyina. Ye beda mo ase. Saforo nkwala teacher fo. Den ambeka hye ya hoho yi. So we are very grateful for liaising between those two communities to bring this gift to us. And I promise you, we are going to use it, which will help them in their learning as they progress. Thank you.
Where the boy na me hu dia na me dia akobrofu mijina aha ewo NGO miensa yaka bom Arise Ghana, Touch a Heart and a 1Billion rising na ye mission ene say ye hwe ma ene emofra. Last week, a program. Oh, thank you. Last week, ba manfe maimu program. Apostolic. Banners in around. Minim severe movie there. Na we na say adoye, but time in TNT anye. Enti nana ansa sashaku ene ma yesa akonye. Enti na yesa ne ye baya ye di enije ene ye ebebe present sa achedie ama nana ansa sasaku ene ne mpanimfo na Arise Ghana ye ka se we asi nyina no wi ema miensa anya ya abuse ni oba baako ewo rape ana eni ayakayaka die bia enti eno na ye gina ho ma ye gina ho ma saa enkrofo a o makosa ayakayaka de enimu ene nkwara ene ema sebe ye abuse omo obi wo ho a okosa tibie enimu a onim ade obeye ekwan ye obefa so na otimu oni obi a obeka kire omo enti yɛwɔ lawyer baako na ɛte ha yi yɛwɔ doctors baako na ɛte ha yi ɛna yɛwɔ psychologist ɔmo a sɛ bi obi wɔ hɔ a ɔkɔ saa atibie no mu a wadwendwen na sɛbe n'adwen no atɔkyema yɛwɔ ɔmo nyinaa yɛde ɔmo nyinaa baa yɛdɔ so mpanimfoɔ yɛde ɔmo nyinaa baa yɛbɛdii saa dwumadie enti yɛwɔ ha te sɛ nea maka no yɛde books yi ɛde brɛ mo na yɛ encourage mo sɛ musu nsuo ade na sɛbe sɛ obi koraa abuse mo one way or the other mo betimi a report ama mo mpanimfo mo mpanimfo wɔ kurom ha mo teachers mo headmistress headmasters yeso so your numbers ɛwɔ book yi enim enti sɛ bibi saa ɛkɔ so a na mama yehu yɛkɔyɛ program bi wɔ ada teachers ni nyinaa wɔ hɔ yɛkyerɛ wɔ mo nneɛma bebree yɛfii hɔ no ɛna yɛnya nteyɛ sɛ teacher baako ɛne nkwara ne baako ɔka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɔmo kɔ excursion ɛwɔ Accra nti parents ne release akwara ne mbra ɔne akwara ne ba Accra no sɛ na ɛnyɛ saa kɔpɛ hotel bi de akwara no girl ɔde ne kɔɔ ɛna sɛbe ɔkɔ rape sɛ mo nyinaa mo nim rape wana ebetimi akyerɛ mase rape ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛka sɛ rape a ɛkyerɛ sɛ me a memfrɛ obi ana obi do ha yɛfrɛ ne Mary obi de gifty awɔpagya wo nsa yɛfrɛ wo sɛ Manuela okay clap for her. Yes, enti ade ɛkyerɛ mu yi wohwɛ n'akyi a yɛatwerɛ pants rule mate pants rule da ba mo nim pants dɛn pants dɛn oh mosre dɛn science teacher we pants dɛn oh ana obi a hyɛ pants wa mo hyɛ de friend draws no mo hyɛ wo wɔ supporters mmarima no aha sɛ yɛ private obi ehu yɛ tete aso obi ehu ne de aha nti yɛ pa kyerɛ sɛ pants rule no pii no ɛkyerɛ sɛ obi nkan ma me kwan na ɛbɛkan ma me aha yɛfrɛ wo sɛ okay yɛfrɛ wo sɛ Gideon okay Gideon je na kan ma me pii ni kyerɛ sɛ ebi a Madam Letitia eka sɛ ma me nhwɛ wo supporter no na yɛhyɛ ase a ɛdɛn na wobɛka ɛyɛ private mebo a aha ɛna no so kyerɛ sɛ wo body no it belongs to you doesn't belong to any other person mebo a so mu yi a wobɛtimi a report sɛ wate a wo pa so mu a eso tumi kyerɛ wo sɛ o ebi a ɔhwɛ ebi a na wepra nti no ma me nhwɛ ebi a obebi a wepra no na me ntimi mboa wo wentimi a explain ankyerɛ wo no o so mu ekwan bi a enya so what is obi rape ne bada aha nti so mu na sɛ enya eno so utimi report eno ne so hyɛ sɛ okay so no means no nti sɛ wo teacher ne how ana ofre Manuela wudi na me use you Manuela bra na fa books ne komi fie ebi amaye homework or fa books ne komi fie na or hawa o say no we can no anya say no we wie no abeka yes o no e kire say no ti no so kire say okay nti yesi mo obi an keep secret wo bibi wo honom na e hawa ka kire wo maame ka kire wo papa wo teachers so wo ho wo feri wo teacher headmaster wo headmistress wo ho obi a wo gini di say bi on fa wasemo konena wetimi ede nipa no so akasa yeso so ye number wo so se ne amaka no so betimi afre na ese so kire say okay ndi so obi ya wayaka je na se we ntimi ambie wa no anka na wo de hye wo ho a so obi ante ana meboa say Arise Ghana ya anti a yentimi mboa so headmistress anti a ontimi mboa o headmaster o teachers anti a omuntimi mboa enti bibi e ha obia no ese utimi ene omo discuss so matiasi anything ya bring us our books see they are lawyers for business women doctors your person most so musua ade na munyi a musu matumi aba abeye doctors ne pilots ne your friend say Ibrahim okay Ibrahim who person oye dey who person oye soldier I salute enti ye wo ho mpacho who person oye dey o so person okwa army na wha dey be say lawyer be any dem doctors wa ha yes good business women wa ha NGO for wa ha da chi mi be say mo so mo ya do ese mo wo ho nurses for wa ha pilots for wa ha enti mo be dey wo be sua ade na my serious na mo ma mo suma mo a mo nko wo ma me suma na wa nko na otia wa enfre so ma me abuse o ti ase ti mo nya suma ko why na enije mo ye represent books ama osabere ma nana ansa sasiraku
Begina osabere ma ansa sasiraku anem to humaima master so on for mam friend.
On behalf of Presby JHS, the SMC, the local management and the entire staff, we want to first of all thank Nana Ansa Sisaraku for his hard work and his vision towards education. I know it is through this vision that Arise Ghana, 1 Billion Rising, and Touch a Heart have been able to come and touch the heart of these little ones. We are thankful for the materials. We accept them and we take them in good faith. And we promise that we will give them to the children to use them for the benefit of the academic quest. So once again, we say thank you, Nana Ansa Sisaraku. Thank you to the NGOs and God bless you. As they say, we always want to ask for more. So we always be ready for more for the little ones. Thank you very much.
Last Friday we came here with our resource persons. We have doctors, lawyers, psychologists to educate and empower women and children like you who go through any form of abuse, what to do. So we brought people from DOFSU, lawyers, to educate, women on what to do in case of any form of abuse. So we are here this morning to empower you to learn hard through these small gifts that we have for you. To learn hard to become the doctors, the lawyers that you wish to become in the near future. So we are here to present this book to Nana Ansa Sisaraku III. So when you take this book, and we have our numbers in front of it. Behind it, we have pants rule. Have you heard it before? You've not heard anything about it?
Private are private.
Who can explain that to us? when we say something is private, nobody is expected to touch our private parts, right? And the A stands for what? By Estelle.
Always remember your body belongs to you.
Who can explain that? We are all learning. Not for any strange person, right? Good. And Clement, then you have to explain everything because since the rest are not willing to.
Your answer should not be changed after life. You don't have to change your answer.
Yes. Clap for Clement. Clement is brilliant. And the T stands for?
And it means that when you have a big issue on you, you can't take it alone. You have to talk to someone who can help you.
Sure. Clap for Clement. And the last one is S. What does it mean?
As I explained earlier, when you have something that is bigger than you, you have to break it for someone else.
Yes, so you don't have to keep any secrets. If you are going through any kind of abuse, somebody is abusing you, speak out.
Ancestors name. The book Sima headmaster said Obachama Yamofrat. Madamas.
Sense. School no anem ada nanane ni penin ase se wode eye krate anase humen bebre ya mofra no enna eye nana partners a weni je adisuan so ye damu nyina ase se mon so makeka mo ho na monim ye mofri abekasa ene achedi a eti sei yen shebo se ye be hwe na mo friend so de eye women esua de awon abo ho moden na se ne ye kan won yen daachi na wo abe yen pa aboa omangana ye damu na ase.
Yes, so I will not talk much since you already know about us. But because of time constraint, that's why we couldn't do the presentation on that day. And so we spoke with Nana Ansa, and he asked us to come today. So we are here to present this to Nana Ansa Sasiaku III. Yes. See here. Yeah, what's your name again? Seth, right? Okay. So what we taught you that day, we've put it behind the book, the punch rule. So you teach your friends and your siblings who are not here as well. Okay? Right. Thank you.
Megina Osabal man in Empire Anem, the Pume Rema, who said, what about Mamma Frat?
Nana Sasiaku ase se wa maya kwenye ya ba mafime abedi dwumadie kese ese ya ko schools be 4 ya mo size book sisi ade ya be kam ho enti every year de be kan na ya ba da mo ase se mo bie ma ya sa nya kwenye that's